Alright, YouTube. We got the 6.4 right here. God. Don't know why that was so tough to open. Got the hood up. My bad, y'all. Forgot to grab the ratchet, so it's going much. Undo the battery. I don't know if it's necessary, but I would do it just because we're dealing with spark plugs and all that. I don't know why I keep saying spark plugs. The wires. So to the battery, which that gives you your spark. So unhook the battery, take off your air filter. Ooh, that's still warm. Wow. Take that bad baby off. And then now you got easy access to the wires. Actually, we need to get some Allen wrenches. Okay, grab a handful of that. So mine came with I got like these wire holders. Yeah, no, that's way too small. Thick. Too small. Bigger than that. Look like it was used. Alright, got it. Okay, what I'm gonna do, let me get y'all close. Let's start on, let's do the driver. Show y'all how we do this. Anytime you're working on your car, put your fender cover on, now you can lean up on it. So what you want to do is, on your table, when you turn your tripod around, lay your wires out. I'm about to show y'all why. Yep, lay your wires out. What you do is, each time you take a wire off, you match it up. That way you know which one is which, where you got it from. Just like that. So now, when you pull a wire off the car, you just come and match it up with the wire on the table, and you put it right back on. That way, you wouldn't have no problem with your firing order. So we're gonna do this side in real time, and then I'll do the other side in hyperlapse. So like I said, I got this, like this wire holder clamps look like. So it's just held down by Allen wrenches. Screw those loose. Pull the top off. Wow. Set that right. Actually, I'll put it right here on the table before I don't lose it. I like it because it holds your wires in place, and it keeps it from touching stuff it shouldn't touch. First, second, third, and fourth. Okay. Yep. So today, man, went to a car show. Terrible, y'all. Disappointed. So not that the simple fact that we didn't win nothing, but the way that it was ran. Basically, it was, as we say, rigged, big time. So yeah, that was dirty, and it was for autism. So I just hope all that money they raised go to the correct spot, you know. So, but we doing something that need to be done. Like I said, I changed out the spark plugs like a week ago, and I had time to do the wires. So like I said, I went in there, took a power nap, charged up. You know, I'm ready to tackle this. Ooh, this been on here for a while. It's been 5 years, y'all, since the last tune-up. I can tell y'all that. I ain't breaking my wrist. Yeah, it's all crusted. So that lets you know it literally has been a long time since these came off. Alright, there we go. Woo! Back on fire. Okay. All the wires free. And like I said, take one off, match it up. So let's do, they did give us stickers or showing what was what, like number 1, which would be you. So let's just do it this way. Here's number 1. We'll pull you from there. Oh, I zip tied that one. I didn't see that. Another zip tie. Sorry about that, y'all. I had to go get zip ties because sensor tip. I got it zip tied up. Change the railing. Break that zip tie right there. Take that off. Put that there. Put that there. Now this wire should be completely free, which that it is. This is going where? Right here. So when you take that off, see how long it is? Now you come over here, and all you're doing is matching it up. Oh, look at that. This is making contact. Look at that. The wire is exposed. That's bad. I was probably losing power, didn't even know it. Wow. I'm gonna make sure, oh wow. Make sure I tuck that pretty good. Okay, so spin y'all back over here. Plug it back in. There you go, simple. Yep, you're gonna make sure you hear it like snap. So as of right now, I'm gonna hold it off to the side. I'll put it on there. Put it on there. There we go. Okay. So that's on there. That will sit like this. That will sit like that. Make sure they in there. Okay, that's good. That's how you do one. Let's go ahead and do number two. That off. Where you routed at? You all the way over there somewhere. Okay. Okay. This one. Yes, it is. Okay. All right, just that super long one. I don't got one that long. Whoa. That's crazy long. Oh, that might be that one. Okay, okay. Wait a minute, I might have messed up, y'all. Already. That's extremely long. This boy, look at the difference, y'all. Like crazy long. I don't have nothing this side. So let's see if that one might have to stay. If that was 3, so you gotta come underneath that. Wow, that was crazy. Let's see. You go there. You go underneath all that. Over there. And that had a number 3 on it. This is tedious. Oh no, yeah. I don't know how they did that. That goes here. Like that. How would I make it sit though? Keep going like that. And back here. That's straight on the header, so that ain't gonna work. Yeah. Some of these wires. I might just end up putting y'all in hyperlapse, y'all. So I gotta loop like that. That loop like that, which that's cool. Then number 2, looped in like this. I'll go across like that. Okay. Wait a minute, I think I might got it. Okay, I'll put that in like that. You will see just like that. And like that. Off the header. This should be off the header. Okay. 3. Back. See, these boys look so long. I might have got the wrong size, y'all. I might have got the wrong size. I ain't gonna lie. But I just put the part number in. To be honest, that's exactly what I did. It's down in there. Oh yeah. Fasten right up in here. quick. That. Last not least, right here. There we go. Whew. There's tight corners. There we go. Little shorty. Little shorty. There you go. Right here. That's how to push down. There we go. Now you straight down. Straight down right here. All right. New wires in. Now I just gotta do is dress it up, then lock everything down. So let's do that. Get my zip tie out when I get to that part. Zip tie that back. All right, let's start lining it up. This going to number 1 for sure. Far out. Big loop out right there. Just gonna hand tight it for now. That way I can get some play if I need to pull. Alright. That. That. Right now. There. All right, now number 2. Let's take this off. So under that, yep. All right, number 2. That's good. Let's lock you down. Number 2. Hey, how you doing? All right. This one I'm worried about because this. What if I go underneath? That one up top. Underneath would be ideal, probably. Lock those down. Get somewhere, y'all. Get somewhere. nicely. 4. Get you off that header like that. Like that. And do all the way up. Alright. Just lock that down. Oh, okay. I think I figured it out, y'all. 3, 2. Allen wrench, Allen wrench, Allen wrench. Ah, came off. Oh, come on, it was on there. Uh-oh. Gotta go get my magnet. Drop the screw somewhere. Of course. Alright, let me pause, y'all. I gotta get a flashlight and a magnet. Alright, YouTube, there we go. So I did the last ones off camera. I used the zip tie to zip tie my sensor tip. Zip tied it here on the loom. Got everything in the right place. Got it away from the header, off the valve cover, and off the valve cover in the back. And I put a zip tie in the back also to give it that let me see, take you off, get you closer in there so you can see. So yeah, I cleaned it up. That look clean. Yeah, that's clean. Yes, sir. So like I said, I'm gonna set it up, put y'all on hyperlapse, and do the other side. Then we gonna fire that bad baby up and see what it's hitting on. Look at that, fresh red, dirty and old. So all right, man. Let me put you on hyperlapse, and we right back on it. Alright, tube ran into a major problem. So I'm guessing this kit that I got is not the right kit, because this hose here compared to this is the next tallest I got. So I'm gonna pull it up. Look where it stopped compared to the new one. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Still going. Apparently these ain't the correct hoses, because I mean, I ordered the same exact number. So, I mean, I guess on this side, I'm gonna have to use, at least for this one, I'm gonna have to use this one. Check it, make sure it's not burnt through, which that is not. So this actually is a good wire. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. That's crazy. And feed it directly how it was underneath. Yeah, I don't know how I got everything wrong on that kit. I don't. So, all right, let me put y'all back on hyperlapse. All right, YouTube, here we go. Wires changed out. Everything swapped out. It was a couple of them that was mega long. Like it was a couple of wires that either I'm gonna go back online and check. Maybe it was different sizes and I didn't order the correct one, but I literally plugged in the same part numbers and ordered the same kit. But so it's two of the wires on the passenger side that I kept because they were super long. So I got all the old ones still. Let me see, one of them was burnt. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Throw it back on there. Oh, nope. Here we go. I was about to say, I hope I throw it back on there. So I did come across this right here. Look at that. Yeah, this was burnt, like the wire is exposed. It's actually bad. So that could have been the reason why my car felt like it was losing power. But as of right now, everything got power. Let's move this out the way. Let's start this bad baby up. Hear how it sounds. I would say that's a mission complete, baby. Mission complete. The 6'4" is alive, y'all. So go ahead, man. Hit that like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. New wires off, routed up, cleaned up on both sides. Wired up, cleaned up. Ooh, 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 ooh. The power there. They said my tail light is out. They keep stopping saying something about my tail light. I told them no. See, I think it's my ground. I gotta make sure one of my grounds is off or something. But here we go. The 6'4" is alive and strong. Actually, I'm about to go for a night cruise. Why not? So what I do, I'll post up something. Make sure y'all leave a comment. Follow me. I appreciate it. Y'all already know. See you on the next one. Cheers.